Understanding Uphold the Appeal, an English language learning journey. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning of a frequently used legal phrase, uphold the appeal. This phrase may appear complex at first, but fear not. We will dissect it together, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand it but be able to use it confidently in your conversations. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, uphold and the appeal. Uphold means to support or maintain a decision or ruling. It conveys a sense of confirming or agreeing with a previous judgment. The appeal refers to a legal process where a decision made by a lower court is reviewed by a higher court. This is often done when one party believes the decision was incorrect or unjust. When we combine these terms, uphold the appeal means that the higher court agrees with the appeal made against a lower court's decision. Essentially, it's like saying, yes, we believe the appeal is valid and the initial judgment needs to be reconsidered. Understanding where and how to use this phrase correctly is crucial. Uphold the appeal is mostly used in legal contexts. For example, in news reports about court decisions or in discussions about legal outcomes. It's formal and typically not used in everyday casual conversations. Here's how you might encounter it. In news, the Supreme Court decided to uphold the appeal made by the environmental group, leading to a re-evaluation of the case. In legal discussions, if the higher court decides to uphold the appeal, the case will be sent back to the lower court for further review. Understanding the context and the weight this phrase carries will help you use it accurately and effectively. It's easy to confuse uphold the appeal with overturn the decision. While both phrases are related to appeals, they mean different things. Uphold the appeal means the higher court agrees with the appellant, suggesting that the lower court's decision should be reconsidered. Overturn the decision means the higher court changes the lower court's decision, effectively reversing it. These nuances are important, and distinguishing between them will sharpen your legal English significantly. Congratulations on adding another phrase to your English vocabulary. Uphold the appeal is a powerful phrase, mainly used in legal contexts, signifying agreement with an appeal and a call for re-evaluation of a previous decision. Understanding its use and context will undoubtedly enrich your English, especially if you're interested in legal matters or want to comprehend news about court decisions more deeply. Keep learning, and see you in our next lesson.